Hello from Augsburg, the 2024 edition of Coiltech Germany. Iskra ISD is presenting manufacturing capabilities of producing electromotor shafts and axes, plastic insulation of stator-rotor lamination stacks, also some technical plastic, especially overmoulding of metals and electronics. We expose also some new technologies as laser fusion, permanent bonding of metals, aluminium with plastic or rubber, alu-fusion, friction stir welding technology for e-mobility. Also, we expose our high-pressure die casting and CNC machining capabilities, Aluminium, and exposing collaboration with Slovenian partner Codex in overmoulding of ball bearings. This year we are positioned in the corner of Hall 2, just in the entrance, so you cannot miss us. See you in these 2 days.